Today, I will show you how to buy cheap VPS hosting from GreenviewSoft. First, open your browser and go to my.greenviewsoft.com. From the VPS Services section, choose the package that fits your budget and needs. As you can see, there are multiple plans available. For example, 1 vCPU and 2 GB RAM for $5 USD. 1 vCPU and 4 GB RAM for $10 USD. 2 vCPU and 6 GB RAM for $12 USD, and 2 vCPU and 8 GB RAM for $15 USD, and many more options. Simply select the plan you need and add it to your cart. If you don't already have an account, just sign up by entering your name, email, phone number, and country, then verify your email. Next, choose your preferred payment method and complete the payment securely. If you face any difficulty, you can contact support via WhatsApp, email, or by opening a support ticket. Once done, you're ready to begin building your dream website, server, or online project. Welcome to GreenviewSoft. Start your journey today.